Yeah, we're getting on board FUERTE, and we're meeting Dawn, who will show us around. So
there we go. Welcome.
how's it going? Hi.
I'm Dawn.
Cool.
Nice to meet you.
Hi,
You
Dawn.
are?
I'm Mo. Hi.
Lovely to meet you. Come on
Cool.
in.
Let's do this.
Now she's a Lagoon,
Mm-hmm.
2004. She's 14 years old. We only made 5 of these boats, and we are hull number 2.
Mm-hmm.
And we're the only one in the BVIs.
Wonderful. So this design doesn't have a name?
It's a Lagoon, 67.
Yeah, I understand that, but like it's some special version. Or this lagoon is much different from all the other
yes,
ones.
We're
So
the original.
Yeah,
we're
that's-
the only ones.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, we're very classical.
all right.
Right, so come on in. We have 2 cabins like this. These are the king cabins. King size bed. Loads of drawers, cupboards, and as you see behind you, double wardrobe space as well. Plenty. And then
So I see that. Mm-hmm.
over here we have a dry head, separate bathroom, shower and toilet.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. All original, all the wood you see at the moment, floors, ceilings, are the original, 14 years old.
What I was thinking is this type of layout. It's very different from all the other lagoons
Yes,
that
that's correct.
we're seeing.
When
So,
they did all 5 of the lagoons,
for example,
each one,
really,
it has a unique interior.
Okay.
So each 5
I understand
lagoons
now.
are totally independent.
I understand now.
Yes.
Thank you for explaining
Yes.
that. I just would ask about it. So this comes open and you can actually like fish or something.
No,
from
these are escape hatches.
Oh, so it's for
Yes.
escape only.
Yes,
It's not
yes.
to be
But
like
if you come
open.
this way, you can see some more.
You know what I was thinking, right? Like you're sitting here and
Oh,
you know
well,
just pulling up a fish and
Here
making
you
some
go.
quick sashimi.
here you go.
Oh, here.
Yes,
All right.
we have 3 of these
All right.
hatches where the children can sit and watch the fish. Behind you is the children's cabin.
Wow. Like it's really thought through one.
Oh yes.
Mm-hmm.
In its time, this was a very advanced boat.
It still is. I would say I haven't seen anything like this.
And this is a wet room for the children's cabin.
Mm-hmm.
And then in front
Yep.
way,
Mm-hmm.
is the queen cabin. So we have 2 king cabins with the ensuite dry heads, and then 1 queen cabin with a wet head.
Mm-hmm.
So we can have up to 6 adults and additional 3 small children.
I see that. The kids' cabin is really something.
Yeah, so we can have good families.
Yeah.
There we go. So if we pop to the other side, and this is now the second of the king bedrooms. And this is the
The galley.
which is where I do my work.
Nice.
And as I was saying earlier, the food I do international cuisine, specialise in English and Italian food as well, and a little bit of French. I've been doing this line of work for 15 years, and our next charter will be our 317th charter. And I'm trained amateur chef, but my husband is actually a professional chef. He
Awesome.
is fully qualified. And the irony is, I do the cooking and he doesn't. He just eats. That's it, yeah. But yeah, between all our hobbies, when we go back to England, we do courses, cookery courses,
Mhm.
both of us, just as a fun hobby.
Oh, so cooking is your passion.
Oh,
Like when you
yes.
get time off from cooking,
Oh,
you go
yes.
to cooking
And we
classes.
do cooking, yeah. And
Alright.
also in England we have what is known as a trust called the Landmark Trust, that the Prince Charles governs this, and he, with his committee, collects all really old buildings that have been run down, and they renew them, bring them all back to life,
All right.
and then you can hire them out, self-catering. So this year we went to a Queen Anne's castle, which was dated, I think, 13th century, and I ended up doing all the cooking. But it was great fun.
I see.
Yeah,
All right.
so I do a lot.
Brilliant.
Yeah. In my line of work, we've had all sorts of requirements for special needs for food, from people who have cancer, people recovering from cancer, and then, of course, all their dietary needs. So I'm quite knowledgeable on food now, over the 15 years, on what to do. for
Wonderful.
clients.
And I see you're in your element.
Yes, well, I've got a great kitchen, as you can see. Everything you need, yes, that's lovely.
Awesome.
Well, thank you.
Cool. I'm wondering if we could do the outside as well.
Oh, yes. What we mainly offer on this boat, in one word, is chillaxing.
Chillaxing.
That is it. Yes.
I'm wondering, liming would also be a word?
Liming's a BVI word.
Yeah.
BVI word, yeah. But
So-
I think that chillaxing is better, because you do get very chilled and very relaxed. And as you can see, plenty of areas to lie down and chillax.
I love to get into that stage. Then when you come to work on Monday or something, you know, you need a few days to recover. So when you cool. So, oh, is that a fighting chair?
No, that's just for chillaxing.
I see.
That's it.
Lots of room.
Oh, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, spacious home. And I often say to friends and family, brokers, that we are the largest six-pack boat in the BVI fleet.
I can imagine.
Because
I really
we
do
are
believe that.
67 feet long and 37 feet wide.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. So,
Just
yes.
getting the sun behind me a bit, you know, because
yes,
I was against the sun.
yes.
So, all right, I think, you know,
So as you see, plenty of room.
I
And we
the
do
biggest
have-
trampolines as well, you know, like nuts are just.
And we do have like bean bags, you know. For the
I
kids
know
to
there was
ride.
rain, so I'll just
That's
explain
it.
that we've had some
We have
rain
all
today.
the-
So,
Yeah, the water
But-
toys as well, yes. And we have a 70-horse engine dinghy. So there's
oh, so the
rates
water
for-
sports are awesome
yes,
here.
So when we do the ring going, yeah, the kids
All right.
enjoy that.
Thank you for showing me around.
Thank you.
Have a
Nice
great
to
day.
meet you.